Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on natural gas prices on July the 5th of this year, when the price of this asset was at $2.369, and one of my main assumptions was that we might have a retracement to the fourth wave, internal fourth wave, and then we might land somewhere lower around the golden pocket range at $2.136, and from the $2.37 all the way down to $2.136 we might have an accumulation zone. And here's the actual price action. As you can see, we were right here and we hit accumulation zone with the flying colors, and our invalidation point was at 0.786. As you can see, we didn't hit this range yet, and this means we are in position to see higher price targets. I have to say that we perfectly hit the accumulation point, but for now we have this breakout. And in my technical analysis within just a couple of minutes, I will explain you what should we expect next. But guys, take a look on its price action. I have to say that I caught a lot of movements of natural gas futures. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, guys, and it is the most lucrative offer, there is not so many people inside the Discord group. That is why almost 100% of my time will be dedicated to you, and it is pretty much one-on-one training for the value of $450 a month, but for the fraction of this cost, for just $35 a month. And I think it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
So guys, and let's continue with the price action again. If you take a look on the bigger picture of this asset, you can see that the structure of natural gas prices is quite choppy, and it is, I have to say that it is quite difficult to assume where the crucial pivot points are for this asset. But for now, we have consistently, from the mid of February of this year, we have consistently higher highs and higher lows on this price chart, and this means as long as these two pivot holds, $1.574 and $1.5 respectively, as long as these two pivot hold, we are still bullish. And let's take a look on the fundamental news. We are on Trading Economics, and here is the latest update in regards to natural gas prices. Let me quote it for you. US natural gas futures rose over 3.5% to above $2.1 per MMBTU, rebounding from a 10-week low after the EIA reported a smaller than expected storage injection. US utilities added 10 billion cubic feet of gas into storage last week, below the expected 28 BCF increase, bringing total stockpiles to 3,209 BCF, 16.9% above the 5-year average. Despite this, natural gas prices are set for a 9% drop this week due to a milder weather forecast and a reduction in feed gas to LNG export plants. Gas flows to US LNG export plants fell to 11.1 BCFD so far in July, down from 12.8 BCFD in June, mainly due to Freeport LNG's shutdown and recent reductions at Chinnery Energy's Corpus Christi facility. Looking ahead, meteorologists predict near normal weather across the lower 48 states through July 24, followed by hotter than normal conditions through August the 1st. And guys, this last statement is quite interesting, and potentially somewhere from July 24th to August the 1st, we might have, I think the trend reversal will happen before July 24th. This means we have just a couple of days and basically we are on Friday. This means it is the last trading day of this week, and potentially the trend reversal might happen by the end of this week. That is why, guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, if my assumption is correct and we completed first wave, second wave, third wave, we are in downtrend to complete the fourth wave, we have to see another leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave right here. And in order to hit higher targets, in order to be in a motive wave, we shouldn't retrace below. We shouldn't retrace our fourth wave on the territory of the first one. Let me turn off all the tools, and as you can see, so far so good. We have the perfect bounce out of this range, and this means if this is the real bottom, we might see movement to the upside. On top of that, guys, if you take a look on indicators, right here you can see that we had quite a low range of RSI on 3 hours time frame, and for now we rebounded to the neutral territory. This means potentially we might have another leg to the downside that might retest this range again at around $2 mark, and we might have next leg to the upside. So guys, the invalidation point for this trade is still the same. If you accumulated your position right here incrementally, your average price is quite decent, I have to say, but the invalidation point is still right here at $1.921. And this means as long as this asset doesn't break this range, we are still in the anticipation of the movement to the upside. And I have to say that the breakout should happen. Let me delete unnecessary tool. Let me switch this bottom to potentially this lowest point. And guys, to project the top of our fifth wave, as long as this pivot holds, we can pull the Fib extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And we might hit 0.786 Fib extension level at $3.287, which implies up to, let me show you, up to 56% of upside potential within next several weeks, and the downside potential is quite tiny. If you haven't entered your position right here, the downside potential is not the highest one. It is just less than 7%. This means it is more than 7-to-1 risk to reward ratio, and guys, this setup is quite lucrative. Definitely you have to do your own due diligence, and you have to follow your rules of risk management. But in general, this potential trade is quite interesting and potentially very lucrative. On top of that, guys, we didn't break this previous swing highs that was set back in January of this year at $3.4, and it is pretty much the confluence level with this price target. This means most likely if this pivot holds, we have a very good contender for the price target at $3.28 all the way up to $3.3 within next several weeks. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.